The Moon, you know, has been Earth's only companion for 4.5 billion years. Tonight, that number changes.
One moon has kept this planet in its lane, for 4.5 billion years. What happens when it gets a partner?
Earth's moon has kept us in orbit, kept our nights lit, and kept our tides in a rhythm as old as life itself. What happens when a second one appears, the same size, the same distance, the wrong direction? The first hour is quiet. Every family porch in the Northern Hemisphere becomes an observatory. Every parent lifts a child to see it, and for 1 hour before the science catches up, humanity is united in a single act of looking up. By hour 6, the tidal math is done. Coastal communities from San Diego to Sydney are on emergency evacuation orders. Firefighters help grandparents into buses, ambulances wait at the intersections, and the water very calmly begins to rise. Inland, a family that spent the afternoon on evacuation orders finally settles in a cousin's backyard. They set up lawn chairs, the kids climb the trampoline, and together they look up at the two moons rising over the neighborhood. Because sometimes surviving a strange day means seeing it as one. Somewhere in the Colorado high country, a man who has waited his entire life for something scientifically impossible finally has it. His telescope tracks the new companion. His notebook fills with hand-drawn observations. Every migratory bird on the planet uses the moon to navigate. By day 2, the flyways of the Northern Hemisphere are in chaos. Airport radars light up with unexplained returns. Ground crews escort dazed geese off runways, and air traffic control learns a new phrase: wildlife event, all quadrants. By day 4, no coastal government in the Northern Hemisphere is fully functional. Every convoy moves inland from evacuation zones. Every field hospital operates on tidal shift schedules. And every marine biologist alive is on the phone at once, asking each other one question: how long before this is normal? By dawn, on day 7, both moons hang together in the eastern sky. The tides have found a new rhythm. Coastal maps are being redrawn, and every one of us, for the first time in our lives, has to hold two moons in our heads at the same time.
Now, this isn't a forecast. It's a thought experiment. But the sky above you has always had exactly what you thought it had. Nothing owes you that number forever.
Up next on JD-OmniTale. This time,
what do you do when the world you knew ends, and you're the only one left who remembers how it began?